Hello everyone. Are you wondering what transmasculine means? Let's explore. Transmasculine describes a person who was assigned female at birth but identifies more with masculinity. This term includes transgender men as well as non-binary individuals who feel a stronger connection to male or masculine identities. Transmasculine people may undergo social, medical, or other forms of transition to express their gender in a way that aligns with their masculine identity. The term is inclusive of a range of experiences, all of which center on a masculine gender expression or identity. In essence, being transmasculine is about identifying with and expressing masculinity, while acknowledging the diversity of experiences that fall under this category. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.